Hello and welcome back to IELTS Speaking Tips. This is the third lesson of a series of IELTS Speaking Tips. In the previous two lessons, we talked about two important tips. The first tip is how to extend your answer, and the second one, how to remain on topic. You can go back and watch these lessons before you watch this lesson. Today, I'm going to give you a very important tip so that you will practice, and this will guarantee that you will score high if you just practice right. The third tip, when you speak, you need to make your ideas and thoughts well organized. What does that mean? This is one of the most important criteria for speaking IELTS. Coherence. If you look at the speaking band descriptors, you can see one of the criteria is coherence. It means that when you answer in task 1 or 2, when you are given a prompt, or the third part in speaking, you need to organize your ideas. The question is, how can I do that? And this is very easy. What you should do is, the first step, you need to use connecting words. Connecting words make your ideas well organized. For example, if you are asked, what are the disadvantages or what are the things that you hate about your city? So obviously, you need to mention a couple of things that you hate about the city, right? What you need is to use connecting words. You can start with first of all, secondly, thirdly, also. This will help the listeners follow what you are saying, and it makes your response well organized and the thoughts are well organized.
Is there anything you don't like about where you live?
Well, I don't like sharing my bathroom with others, and the kitchen is often very busy, but I think that's normal for a shared house. Also, we need to do the gardening regularly, or things get out of control. Sometimes the trains can be a little loud as well, especially in the mornings.